everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to create an account on a TikTok Lite app or how to sign up for a TikTok Lite app. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store just like me. Now, tap on the search for apps and games option on the top, enter here TikTok Lite and then search for this particular app. Now tap on this install option on the top right corner and wait until the app gets installed. You can see that the app is getting installed, and soon after the app is installed, immediately tap on open option on the bottom right corner. So here you can see that you're in the first page of TikTok Lite app and you can create a profile, follow other accounts, make your own videos and more by using your phone or email address. You can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, and even you can continue with Twitter as well. So tap on use phone or email if you want to create it through an email address just like me. So I'm going to tap on use phone or email and then immediately switch on to email option. Now enter the required email address of your choice. When you're done doing it, tap on next option below. Now you can create a password which must be of 8 to 20 characters and must contain letters, numbers and special characters. So I'm going to create a password. You can create of your own. When you're done doing it, tap on next option below. So here, after this, you need to choose your birth date. I'm going to choose my birth date, starting with birth month, birth date, and then birth year. When you're done doing it, tap on next option below. And then you can choose a username as well for yourself. When you're done, tap on sign up option below. Now you need to allow TikTok Lite to access your accounts. If you want to do it, you can tap on allow. And then you can swipe up and watch all of the content provided by TikTok Lite itself. Alright. So you can always follow the accounts and the content that you like. Now tap on this me option in the bottom right corner to check your own account. You can see that you have successfully created this particular account just like this. Alright, now you can edit your profile, keep a profile picture and even tap to add bio. I'll teach you how to do it. So tap on edit profile option here. So here you can change photo as well. Tap on change photo option. You can select one from gallery. You need to allow TikTok Lite to access photo, media and files to your device. Tap on allow option and then you can choose one of the picture from your gallery that you want to keep. I'm going to keep one of these pictures like this and then tap on confirm option on the bottom right corner. So here you have successfully changed it. You can even keep a name or change it and even change the username and then even add a bio as well. So I'm going to add one of the bio for myself. You can also do the same. When you're done doing it, tap on save option on the top right corner. So you can see that I have updated my photo, my name, my bio and my username as well. Now I can go to my own profile and then tap on this discover option on the bottom left corner and search for the accounts that I want to follow just like this. And then I'm going to follow the particular account that I want to. You can search for them and then tap on follow and you'll get this similar option. Alright, so you can watch the content of your choice and even like and share the videos and go live later as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.